saw. He was firing in short bursts. He was aiming between those bursts. There were targets and softly wildly spraying and hoping to hit. You were making aim, making people take cover. You were suppressing. That is the purpose of the machine gun. We also had the assistant who was passing ammunition, ready to take over in case the machine gun got hit. Ready with a spare barrel if the gun got too far. That's one of the things you don't generally see in film. You don't see just one person being a hero, an action hero. It takes multiple people. Not to mention behind the lines you have the armors checking the guns, you have people supplying the ammunition. It takes a lot to make it like this one is the field. So, to give you a taste of something a little different, I'm going to ask the front section what would you like to see? You want to see a rifle? Lift the rifle up. You want to see a rifle firing? Or would you like to see a German submachine gun firing? Can I have a show of hands for the rifle? Submachine gun? Submachine gun? Yeah, okay. Sorry. Submachine gun. Can you get in here?
Ladies and gentlemen, the now speaks the government of the century of Southwest.
We have over here, in fact, I'm sorry I deceived you, that's actually an Italian submachine gun used by the Germans. So that's calibered in a 9x19 caliber, that's 9mm parabellum, same as what the British used. It was a very common caliber all around. It's still used nowadays, Japanese tug locks. It's used by the military as well. It's a very sturdy caliber, very common. There's a reason for that. It is very reliable. Machine gun, submachine gun, the map. Fire both semi-automatic and fully automatic. Paratrooper over here, he is a German paratrooper, like those that were planned to invade Malta. That was planned. Demonstrates individual fire, and then he's going to show us what automatic fire looks like. Carry on. Anyone have any questions? So, those came in multiple magazine sizes. That magazine is 40 rounds. Yes, most submachine guns such as this were 30 rounds. Those were actually 40. The also have 40 round magazine sizes. Any questions? No, just because it's loud and people like loud things. What we're going to show you now is we're going to show you the German rifle after all. Because these are the loudest guns we have today. So we're going to end on a bang for this talk. And we're going to pick this up again in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we're going to carry on. So the German K98. It is an 8mm Mauser. These were used throughout the Second World War by the Germans, Navy, Air Force, Army. They all used this as a basic rifle. And our German paratrooper over here will demonstrate. So he's going to demonstrate 5 rounds. These are very loud. Carry on. So there's a bolt action rifle, which means after every round you have to manually cycle the bolt. It's not self-loading, it's not automatic like these. ammunition we're using. So we're using blanks, and there are different types of blanks. Sometimes when you're filming inside, so you need a quiet blank not to deafen everyone. Sometimes if you're in a big field, you want a big loud bang, so you have a powerful blank. So it's not necessarily some guns were louder or quieter. Although this one was quieter, but that's for different reasons. If this one's suppressed, for special forces, we'll show this one off in a later talk in an hour. So if anyone has any questions, please find our members, ask the questions, and we will continue in an hour. Thank you very much for coming.
Hello everybody, so we're just going to do a quick demonstration of what we usually do on film with blanks. I'll ask you to all stay a little bit back.